Hi friends, in this video you will learn how to reverse a list and sort the items of a list. The reverse method can be used to reverse a list in place, which means that the first item becomes the last item, the second item becomes the second last item, and so on. For example, let us assign a list containing items string A, int 1 and int 2 to variable L. Now, to reverse the position of items in the list, execute L.reverse. Let us check out the list L. As you can observe, the list now contains the items in reverse order, starting with 2, followed by 1 and string A. Moving on to the next method, which helps us in sorting a list. Python lists have a built-in sort method which sorts the item in place using lesser than comparisons between items. For example, let us assign a list containing numbers 9, minus 10, 3 and 101 to a variable L. Execute L.sort. Now display the value of L. A sorted list L containing items minus 10, 3, 9 and 101 is displayed, where an item is always lesser than all the item values on its right. The method also accepts a keyworded argument reverse. Reverse is a boolean which, if true, sorts the list in descending order instead of ascending order. For example, let us assign a list containing numbers 9, minus 10, 3 and 101 to variable L. Execute L.sort reverse equal to true. Now display the value of L. A sorted list L containing items 101, 9, 3 and minus 10 is displayed. Before demonstrating the next feature of sort method, let us take an example. Let us assign a list containing items string O with capital O, string high with capital H and string an with lowercase a to a variable L. Executing L.sort sorts the list of strings in ascending order. Let us view the list. We can observe that although alphabetically an comes before high, it is still at the last position of the list as the comparisons are case sensitive and uppercase characters have lower code point than lowercase characters. To handle such cases and for various other applications, we might want to perform some minor operation on an item before making the comparisons. This can be accomplished using the keyword argument key that can be used to specify a function which is called on each list item prior to making comparisons. Let us take the previous example. Let us assign a list containing string O with capital O, string high with capital H, and string an with lowercase a to variable L. Execute L.sort with key equal to str.lower. This function converts strings into lowercase before comparison. Let us now view the list after sorting. We can observe how the contents of the list string an, string high and string o are now sorted irrespective of the case of the string.